Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on your OPPO A5m. Alright, so first we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the system and update. And now click on backup and reset. Don't even look up on the backup and migrate and on the option clone phone, because this option only works for receiving data. It doesn't work for sending out data, because that's the thing that we would like to use, but it doesn't work properly unless you have other OPPO device. Let's go into the local backup and let's create a new one. Remember that this backup will be stored on your device storage. So if you choose to reset your device, for example, you will lose all of your, you'll lose that backup simply. So it's good, for example, to copying it into the USB flash drive. Now simply select all the data that you want to copy and backup, and then click on start. Now the process will start, as you can see. Okay, backup completed. Click on done. And now, as you can see, it's stored right in here. Also, you have an instruction how to copy it into a PC or USB storage drive. And now let's go into the best backup in my opinion, which is by using the Google account. Simply click in here. Now we need to select that we want to use the backup, and now click on confirm. Alright, now let's make sure that we have some free storage space right in here in this bar. And now under the account storage we have our Google account that we are currently logged into. And it is really important because, for example, if you want to restore your backup in the future, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here. So simply don't forget this Google account and password to it. Otherwise you won't be able to restore your backup. Also make sure that backup by Google one below in here is enabled. And when it comes to the backup details, in here we have a list of things which will be backed using the Google one. Now simply click on this white button, backup now. Now we need to wait a few seconds until the process is started. Alright, and now under the backup word this thin bar appeared. And it's starting slowly to fulfill. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made. Also on the bottom of the screen we will see a notification which confirms that our backup is made. So now we need to simply wait until this process is finished. Alright, the process is finished. Also, as a confirmation that everything went fine, we can see that under the backup by Google One sentence, we can see how long ago the last backup was made. In my case it's 0 minutes ago, because it was like 2 seconds ago. And next to it we can see the hour, and you can see that those hours are matching. So it means that everything is fine. Also, another confirmation is under the backup details. We can see how many apps has been copied, and same thing with the call history, device settings, and SMS and MMS messages. So everything went totally fine. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.